Manchay, Peru. Ronald, Jocelyn's father.
The pandemic caught us by surprise. We lived with that fear. Even when we went to the market, we were afraid of getting infected because Jocelyn's immune system is compromised.
Giovanna Osorio, Kipulaxta, Organization of Persons with Disabilities.
People with disabilities are not vulnerable because of their disability, but because of all the barriers they face in this society, which make them even more vulnerable in emergencies.
Rosa Maria Juarez, Commission of Blind Women.
During the pandemic, OPDs realized we had to get involved with the government.
We realized that communications about how to protect against COVID-19 were not accessible to everyone. People didn't know how to protect themselves, so we started preparing messages that were accessible to all.
Presidential messages started to feature sign language. Videos with prevention messages featured audio description and subtitles.
We advocated for anyone with a disability and their main caregiver to receive priority vaccinations because people with disabilities sometimes have comorbidities. But another reason is because disability is often an indicator of poverty. If those people get COVID, they'll have less access to health care.
Brian Russell, Down Syndrome Society.
It was a bit of a battle to raise awareness, to make people take notice, and give us priority. But it worked.
Liliana Peña Herrera, Down Syndrome Society.
Many of the things that were done because of the pressure and the activism of OPDs and families.
We've been lucky that since the start, public and private decision makers have taken us into account. We could tell that a lot of them wanted to do the right thing, they just didn't know how. And that's where they can sometimes mess up.
I think that when we are consulted, we can really achieve things.
Together, we can fight to have our rights respected.
UNICEF, For Every Child. UN Partnership on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. International Disability Alliance. With special thanks to Wamakuna Hope, an organization working with children with disabilities and their families in Manchay, Peru.